Good morning, everybody. As you can see, winter's not over yet. So get ready for apple tree planting. We've got three varieties coming in this year: the Enterprise, the Arkansas Black, and the Liberties. This year as well, we're getting in strawberries. We'll have those available. Both trees and strawberries are bare roots. So get your pots and your medium ready. Those strawberries will need to get planted and kept inside a little bit longer. The apple trees, if the ground's soft enough, you can go ahead and plant those apple trees. If not, same thing. You'll need a pot with some medium being some form of potting mix, to get those roots protected so they don't dry out before that ground softens up enough to get them in there. Again, we'll have both the trees and the strawberries available. We're looking at the end of next week, February 28th and March 1st.